Despite being a faceless channel, this channel has posted just 22 videos and has attracted over 48,000 subscribers in just 6 months. Truly impressive, right? What about this channel, which has uploaded just 12 videos and gained more than 58,000 subscribers in almost the same period? If you check Social Blade, you'll see that the channel is earning between $24 to $300 and between $200 to over $4,000 per month solely from YouTube. Above all, the videos are easy to make. Let's check one of them out.
So, the next day, Aku sat in front of her hut, waiting patiently for her suitor. But next to her was a pot of water, which she planned to pour on the man as soon as she sighted him.
Imagine generating thousands, even millions of views with captivating content that's easy to create. In today's video, I'm revealing a viral niche that's taking YouTube by storm: AI-generated African folktales. I'll show you step by step how to craft these enchanting stories using AI tools like ChatGPT, and how you can start your journey towards consistent earnings on YouTube. Stick around as we dive into the fascinating world of African folklore and learn how to bring these timeless tales to life with the power of AI. Let's get started. The top performing videos in this niche often draw inspiration from traditional African folktales. You can find plenty of story ideas by looking at what works for other channels. ChatGPT is also a fantastic tool for generating and expanding on these ideas, especially if you can craft your prompts effectively. When brainstorming, make sure the stories highlight human virtues and contain compelling narratives that teach valuable lessons or moral truths. Here's a prompt you can use, which I'll also include in the description below. Give me a list of title ideas for an animated YouTube video series about a dramatic African love story, set in your specified culture. Include themes like forbidden love, family conflict, tradition, betrayal, or deception. Use simple English that a 10-year-old child can understand. ChatGPT will generate a list of ideas for your chosen culture. Look through the title ideas and see which one resonates with you. For this example, I'll go with this. You can choose any title that stands out to you. Next, ask ChatGPT to create a captivating story for an animated African tale, specifically for your chosen title idea. Enter the prompt. Create a captivating story for an animated African tale titled Give Your Chosen Title. The summary should detail the main characters, their relationships, and the central conflict. This story is intended for my YouTube channel, so it needs to be highly engaging and attention-grabbing. Additionally, provide prompts to generate AI images for key scenes, including details such as traditional clothing, cultural artifacts, and environmental elements that reflect the chosen culture. Hit the enter button, and ChatGPT will generate a story using the title idea, along with prompts for AI image generation, which was also requested. Here's an example of an image prompt. Keep that in mind because we will need it later on. Now that we have the script generated, the next step is to use it to create a voiceover. You can use a tool like 11 Labs, or you can choose to record yourself narrating the story. For illustration purposes, I'll use 11 Labs. With 11 Labs, the voices are 100% guaranteed for monetization, provided that you offer value in your video and your audience can hear you clearly. To find a good voice, go to the voice library, select Narrative and Storytelling, and listen to the sample voices.
The best thing about the future is that it only comes one day at a time.
Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies.
Once you have added the voice to your voice lab, simply copy your script from ChatGPT, paste it in, select your chosen voiceover, and hit the Generate button. Within seconds, your script will be transformed into a voiceover. By the way, you will find all the links to the tools mentioned in this video in the description box below. Alright, script in hand, amazing voiceover ready to go. It's time to take your video to the next level. Imagine feeding prompts from your script into an AI artist and poof. You've got breathtaking visuals depicting the detailed visual representation of your script. This is the power of AI image generation. If you're looking for a high-quality AI tool, I recommend Midjourney for its incredible capabilities. However, if budget is a concern, don't worry. There are fantastic free alternatives to explore. Check out Leonardo AI, Stable Diffusion, Microsoft Designer, or even Adobe Spark's Firefly. These tools are excellent for creating captivating visuals for your African folktales. In this case, we will be using Microsoft Designer. Go back to your generated script on ChatGPT, copy the image prompt, and return to Microsoft Designer. Scroll down to Get Started with Generative AI and click on Image Creator. Once you click Generate, a new window will open for us to work in. In the search bar, paste your prompt and click on Generate. The AI will produce stunning images based on your prompt. You want to keep repeating this process until you have enough visual images for your entire video. One thing to keep in mind is to ensure that every image prompt includes the name of the culture or something related to Africa. This way, the AI will generate images that are relevant and accurate. Now, you've got your script transformed into a captivating voiceover and stunning AI-generated visuals. But what if you want to add some extra motion to those static images generated using Microsoft Designer AI? Check out Hyper AI, the AI tool that specializes in bringing still images to life. Imagine taking those breathtaking images and adding a touch of movement. Hyper AI allows you to create short animation sequences that breathe life into your visuals. Picture clouds drifting across the sky, or even a subtle camera pan. These subtle animations add a layer of dynamism to your story, keeping viewers engaged and visually stimulated. Hyper AI is a fantastic tool for taking your imagery from static to spectacular, further enhancing the overall storytelling experience. Just open Hyper AI and create a free account. Next, click on the Animate Your Image button and upload your first image. Select a duration of 4 seconds and click on the Create button. Continue uploading and animating each image one by one. Once finished, save all the videos. Alright, buckle up. We've gathered all the ingredients: a captivating script, a thrilling voiceover, stunning visuals, and even some dynamic animations. Now, it's time to unleash your inner director and assemble your African Folktale Stories video masterpiece. Head over to CapCut, a user-friendly video editing platform. CapCut makes the editing process a breeze, allowing you to drag and drop your video clips, voiceover track, and sound effects directly onto a timeline. Think of it as your digital canvas, where you can arrange all the elements to create a cohesive and captivating narrative. With CapCut, you're not limited to simply stringing things together. You can fine-tune the timing of each element for maximum impact, add smooth transitions between scenes, and incorporate royalty-free background music and sound effects to set the perfect historical mood. CapCut empowers you to transform your raw footage and AI-generated elements into a polished and engaging African folktale that will leave viewers wanting more. Check this out.
The sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm, golden glow over the savannah. By the river, where the tall grass swayed gently, Amani waited, his heart pounding with anticipation. Draped in his red shuka, his spear and shield at his side, he was every inch the Maasai warrior. His thoughts were interrupted by the soft rustle of grass, and he turned to see Nia approaching, her bright shuka and beaded necklace catching the last rays of sunlight. "Amani," she whispered, her eyes shining with love and worry. "I fear my father will never allow us to be together." Amani took her hands in his, feeling the warmth of her touch. "We will find a way, Nia. Our love is stronger than any tradition."
Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content.